Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will learn how to record macro with relative reference in Excel. In previous video, we have learned how to record a simple macro in Excel. Link of the video will be in the I button and description. So let's get started with computer screen. So we are in the Excel sheet now and we are going to record a simple macro here. I am going to developer tab, record macro, and just macro one I am giving the name, and the shortcut is Shift Control A. And I am clicking on OK. So recording started here. Now we will write here like Excel. Okay. And I will make this color like yellow or some few more colors like green. Okay. So this is a simple macro here. I am going to stop this macro here. So recording stopped. Now if I delete this and run this macro again, Shift Control A, you can see the C4 cell is going colored and text. If I again delete it and put the cursor here, so I have selected a different cell here and I am going to press the Control Shift A for the macro. Okay, you can see only the C4 cell is getting colored and text. So what we will do, if we require to text or color the selected cell, then we can use the relative reference. For example, I am just deleting it and deleting the existing macro also. Okay, I am going to the macros option and this is the macro basically, I am just deleting it. Okay. So now we will record a macro with relative reference. Okay. For this we will activate this option like use relative reference, and after that we will click on the record macro option. Okay. This is the dialog box. I will put the like shortcut key like Shift Control S or something you can put there. Okay. Just I am clicking on OK and typing here like Excel. I am keeping the color like something more different like green, this color, blue color. Okay. And after writing this, I will select the next cell. Okay. I am just selected here and going to stop the macro now. So macro has been stopped. We can see here we have typed the Excel word at the D8 cell. Okay. Now we will delete it and put the cursor here. And I am just pressing the shortcut Shift Control S which I have assigned. You can see here the text comes and this cell automatically is selected. If I put the cursor here and press Shift Control and S, so you can see according to our selection, the macro is running. The selected cell becoming color and text and the next cell is going selected. Now we will see the code behind this macro. For this we can press a shortcut like Alt and F11. This window will automatically come. Or you can just go to the developer tab and click on macros. And you can edit from here also. Another option, you can click on the Visual Basic also. So there are many options to bring this window of the code editor. Okay. Now we will make changes in this code. For example, this color is like this code and this code is preparing this color. Okay. We will change it to VV red. VV red means red color. Okay. So macro has been changed now. If I close it and delete those things and keeping the cursor here like and Shift Control S, you can see the color becoming red. So we can also edit the code as per our requirement. Okay. In upcoming videos we will learn about that. And one more important thing, if you save this file with normal Excel file, then the macro will not work in this file. Okay. For this we need to save this file with XLSM format. I am pressing Ctrl S here. You can see the format is coming by default with XLSM. If it is not coming, then click on here and click here like Excel macro enable workbook. Then save this file with your selected location. Then the file will be saved with macro. Okay. So that's all for this video. Please put a thumbs up if you like this video. If you are new to this channel, please hit subscribe button followed by bell icon. We will meet with a new video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing.